In this module, we will be looking at the intelligence cycle and its companion derivative, the intelligence process. The intelligence cycle model is at the core of intelligence work. It is therefore important that those involved with intelligence have a clear understanding of how the model works. This principle is equally applicable to senior managers who may be responsible for tasking and decision making that is based upon intelligence products. They should understand the system, its strengths and limitations. The intelligence cycle is a model for processing raw information into actionable intelligence. It is the engine that drives intelligence-led policing. Therefore, it is an integral component of modern law enforcement. The intelligence process is an adaptation of the intelligence cycle that emphasizes the component parts of analysis and demonstrates the multidirectional nature of the system. In respect of the latter, there is an inherent facility to return to previous components without having completed the intelligence cycle in order to do so. This will be examined in more detail later. The first step in understanding the intelligence cycle is to understand the difference between information and intelligence. It is not unusual for people to use the words interchangeably, even those who work in an intelligence environment. Arguably, it does not matter as long as the difference is understood, and raw, unprocessed information isn't mistaken for intelligence. In a nutshell, information is the raw material or data from any source. It may be accurate or inaccurate, true or false. It may be fragmentary or complete, ambiguous or clear. In contrast, intelligence can be considered to be information with a value-added attribute. This is assigned as a consequence of the information having undergone analytical processing, analysis being the key component of the intelligence cycle. Simply put, intelligence is information plus analysis. Intelligence is important because it assists the business of law enforcement at both strategic and tactical levels. This is particularly true where an agency operates a proactive intelligence-led regime. Law enforcement agencies have traditionally operated in a reactive manner. That is to say, they respond to a problem, deal with the immediate issues and then go away. At some future time, perhaps the following day, or the next week, or the next month, there is a reoccurrence of the problem, which is substantially dealt with in the same way. The problem goes on indefinitely with little or no thought being given